I loved it.
It's been good.
I thought it was great. I liked I liked Nick and Jason's camaraderie. I liked that they were funny. They had good value and meaning behind it. Their experience is unsurpassed, so you believe in them, you trust them because everything that they say, I mean, they're in the thick of it. You can relate to them because everything they say, it's happening with us every day. So I really enjoyed that.
We came in with a an agenda,
Hmm.
and we know the media aspect of what we're doing is important, the social media, the ads, and that. So we came just to kind of fine tune that part of it and
Hmm.
get some more information. And I'll tell you, most we learned in 1 hour. The first hour we were here, we already wrote down things to take home and start to implement. There was a lot of affirmation that we're on the right path, that
Absolutely.
things are going the
We're
right
doing it
way,
the right way.
that if you follow the steps that you guys lay out, it does work itself. So
I would say the one key takeaway is we know what we're doing and we do it right. We have to be able to take this and develop other people who can do it for us and with us because we can't always do it ourselves. And I think that having somebody that can sell that understands the patients, it's not just a question, what are you here for today? You get down to why do they feel this way? What's going on in their life? Have they had treatments before? So they're teaching those things to ask that are different from your generic chachi consultation grid that you follow. So I liked that. I think that those are definitely valuable for us to bring back to the practice and